G'day guys, this is a 2013 VF Commodore V6. So it said service your engine soon or change your oil soon. And I did it once, and because I didn't turn it off and turn it back on at the end, I don't think it succeeded. So I've managed to do it now. It's like the Holden Cruise. You just turn it on, right? I waited for the message to come up there, bonnet open. Now, if it's going to say service vehicles, change your oil soon, it's going to come up after the bonnet open message. So we'll just wait and see what it does. Okay, it's now, I'll just show you that it's gone. I've turned the key off. Okay, I'll now start the vehicle. And if I press set, that's the only warning. So it has been reset. Now, where are we here? I'm not so familiar with this car. I'm just trying to move across the menu here. I don't think you can pull up the service. Okay. No, you can't. Okay, sorry to drag it on. All right, so turn the key off, turn the key on. I think any time around now, like the Cruise, you just push the gas 3 times quickly to the floor. 1, 2, 3. Turn the key off and turn the key back on. That's how to reset the service on the VF Commodore. I'm about to put the scanner on, and now, as far as I know, there are no hidden, there's no engineering mode here, guys. Anyway, hope that helps. A bit drawn out, it could have been quicker. So yeah, turn the key on, pump the gas fast 3 times, and turn the key off. It's basically it. I don't think it really matters when you do it, okay? If it does, I won't post the video. I'm gonna now research it. Cheers, bye.